Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Extended Stay America Suites, White Plains, Elmsford. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located within 3 miles of 3 golf clubs, the Extended Stay America is just a 5-minute drive from Sportime USA, an indoor entertainment center. This hotel has an on-site fitness center, laundry facilities and free parking. A kitchenette with a microwave and fridge is included in each and air-conditioned room. Ironing facilities and a seating area with a TV are also provided in all rooms at the Extended Stay America, White Plains, Elmsford. A free grab-and-go breakfast including breakfast bars, muffins, hot cereal, coffee and tea is served every morning. Weekly housekeeping services is provided for free and daily housekeeping is available for a fee. Towels and linen can be exchanged at the front desk. The Historic Hudson Valley is 1.5 miles away and offers guided tours. Yonkers is less than 20 minutes drive away, where guests can visit the Hudson River Museum and the Science Barge. Neuberger Museum of Art is a 20-minute drive away and New York City East can be reached after 50 minutes drive. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.